Hi friends, I Robin. Welcome to our YouTube channel Star Science Robinson. Let's get into topic. Thymus gland. The thymus gland is in the chest between the two lungs behind the sternum, and it is just in front of the above of the heart, that is base of the heart. The thymus makes white blood cells called T lymphocytes, also called T cells. These are an important part of the body's immune system, which helps us to fight infection. And the thymus produces all our T cells. Before we become teenagers, it gradually becomes less active and eventually gets smaller, and it is replaced by fat tissue. And the thymus also produces an hormone called thymosin, which helps to make the develop of T cells. The thymus gland length is about 4 to 6 centimeter long and 2.5 to 5 centimeter wide and about 1 centimeter thick, and it increases in size until puberty, and where it may have a size of about 40 to 50 grams, and it will decreases in size replaced by a fat tissue, and 10 to 15 grams at first, and gradually it increases. After puberty it will decreases, and if you see its shape, it is thymus leaf, and if you see the color, it is pinkish gray of thymus gland. And we have to remember the parts of our thymus. So we have to know, right now I'm showing you this part, it is called as capsule. So thymus capsule. So after the continuation of this thymus capsule, we can see in diagram that is called as interlobar septum. So this interlobar septums were the place of the cortex of thymus gland. So you have to remember that. So if you go further of this structure of thymus gland, we can see right now I am giving a long phases of interlobar septum, that where the presentation of thymus gland cortex region. So right now I want to show the cortex regions of thymus gland. Right now I'm going with green color to show where the part is called as thymus cortex. So this is the phase where you can just identify the cortex regions of our thymus gland. So right now I'm just naming that it is called as thymus or thymic cortex. So after this region, we have to remember about the next phase of our lesson. Right now I'm giving you an arrow mark which is called as thymic or thymus medulla. So this is the medullary region of thymus gland. So you can remember outside it is called as thymus cortex, and innermost it is called as thymus medulla. So it is very good to say that name of the gland and cortex region and medulla, because we can find every places, so many of places cortex and medulla. So don't be confused. Just try to say thymus, cortex and medulla. Right now I'm showing you which is called as thymic corpuscles, and right now I'm showing you the venous return of thymus gland. So that is called as left branchocephalic vein. So in thymus venous return, the veins which I'm drawing right now, it is left brachiocephalic vein, and next it is also having another vein which is called as internal thoracic vein. So internal thoracic vein, and after this vein we can go for a artery which is called as internal thoracic artery. So right now I'm going with an artery which is called as internal thoracic artery, and it is also having a supply from superior thyroid artery, and at the same time it is also having a blood supply from inferior thyroid artery. So this is the blood supply to thymus gland, and it's very important to know the next. So lymphatic drainage, so I'm going with in green in color to show the variations. So this is called as lymphatic drainage. Okay, so this is about the thymus gland. I'm showing you where the places where the hormone which is being produced by the thymus gland, that is thymosin, that helps make and develop T cells. Now I'm showing you, this is called lobules of thymus gland, which will be seen on your thymus. The T cells from the bone marrow which reach out to the thymus gland, where the main maturation of T cells will occur, that is called T lymphocytes. First it is differentiation of T cells, after it is called helper cells, and after it is called as regulatory cells, and then T cells matured in thymus gland and then sent to immune system. This is called left lobe of thymus gland. So the next it is called as right lobe of thymus gland. So this is about thymus gland. So it's very important to know the thymus gland is the place where the T cells get matured, and it is also used for a immune response to fight against antigen. So thank you. It's Star Science Robinson.